Good morning, students. Today we will start with fraction part 8. So in this section we will learn how to solve the word problems. So let us see the first question. Pooja walks 7/8 of a kilometer to her school. Paul walks half of a kilometer to his school. Who has travelled a greater distance to reach school and by how much? So students, we will find out who has travelled more distance and by how much. So let us see how we will compare the kilometers. Pooja walks 7/8 of a kilometer. So students, 1 kilometer we will convert into meters first. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 7/8 multiplied by 1000. So when you multiply 7 by 1000, it will come 7000 upon 8. So when you divide 8 by 7000, you will get the answer 875. So Pooja walks how much distance? 875 meters. Now we will same calculate for Paul. So Paul walks half of a kilometers. That is half into 1000. So 1000 will be divided by 2. So when you divide 2 by 1000, your answer will be 500. So Paul walks how much meter? 500 meter. So now we have found how much meters they have walked. So Pooja walks 875 meters and Paul walks 500 meters. Now you can compare who has covered greater distance. So Pooja has covered greater distance. So by how much? You will subtract Pooja and Paul's distance. So that is 875 minus 500. So when you subtract both of the distance, you will get the answer 375. So now you can find out that how much kilometer more Pooja has covered. So Pooja has covered greater distance by 375 meter. So students, I hope you all have understood how to compare the numbers of the fraction, converting into the numbers and then subtracting. So let us see the next question based on the same word problems. So students, here is the question says that Jay spends 1/5 of his salary on rent and 1/3 of his salary on food. What part of his salary is left by the end of the month? So we have to calculate how much salary he spends in food and rent and how much he has left. So let us see. Jay spends half rent, 1/5 rent and 1/3 on food. So when you will calculate, when you will add rent and food fraction, you will get the total salary he spends on rent on food. So that is 1/5 plus 1/3. Here you can see the denominators are not equal. So as I have told, you will find the LCM of the denominators. So that is 5 and 3. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Yes. Now as the process, we have to make the denominators same. So after making the denominators same, we can see that the fraction of Jay's rent and food is 3/15 and 5/15. Now the denominators are equal, you can add the fraction. So when you add the fraction, 5/15 plus 3/15, it comes to 8/15. So 8/15 is the total fraction he spends from his salary for rent and food. Now how much part of the salary is left? So here we can see that the denominator is 15. So the full total fraction will be 15/15. And what he spends for room and rent, we will subtract from the total fraction. So 15/15 minus 8/15. So the fraction comes to 7/15. So now we have found out that the part of the salary which is left by J is 7 upon 15. So students, like this you can solve the word problems.